algorithm, and it helps me, so I'd really appreciate it. .com, and I'd appreciate if you'd subscribe and hit the bell if this is the first time that you've been here before. And we're going to be reviewing FunnelMail Suite by Brenda Mace, who's a $1 Million Earner. And at any time, if you decide you want to pick up this program, just go ahead and click the link that's below this video. Or if you can't see it, it'll say show more, and just click that, and then you'll be able to see more. So, like I said, anytime you just click this button will take you over to the main funnel of the program. Excuse me. And then you just go ahead and click on any link that it is that you want to purchase with. Okay, place Aweber and ClickFunnels without spending every last penny in costly alternatives. Create unlimited funnels and send unlimited emails for unlimited profits in one suite with no monthly fees. No monthly fees. This is why I was so interested and excited about this, because ClickFunnels and Aweber cost quite a bit of money there. Every single month. I spend thousands of dollars on my email and my ClickFunnels every year. ClickFunnels is going to cost you $297 a month. Aweber, the reason it's got X on it is because the more subscribers you get, the more money it's going to cost you. It goes up and up and up. FunnelMail, you pay once, you never pay again. Plus, it's got all the features. You don't have to pay extra for a feature, and you only pay one time. So this is just a no-brainer really for anybody. And like I said, during this review, all you have to do is click the link below this video, and then you'll get all the bonuses that are listed. So for an unlimited time, you can get in at this really low price, because it's a special price actually. After launch, it's not going to be. Get started today to make your first commissions. Pay once and profit forever without any limits or restrictions. Create unlimited funnels, create unlimited emails, and unlimited subscribers. Now, if you got Aweber or anything like that, every time you get more subscribers, your price is going to go up, which you pay. And 100% free hosting, so you don't have to pay for hosting. Import on demand without application or double opt-in. Extremely affordable during launch. Everything you need is included. And like I said, just make sure that you click on any of these buttons for the timer runs down, or before the timer runs down on this page to get your special pricing right now, and not never have to pay a monthly fee. And that's just awesome. And I'm also going to give you all these bonuses, so that I think is really great, that are going to help you on your way with what you're doing now. And this is the world's first super affiliate weapon. Starting commissions from JV's Uber Plus without doing any manual work. Use our tool and boost your commissions up to 10 times more while cutting the workload, and it shreds, and it offers powerful tools to drag and drop, dump for your page builder. Instagram auto comment reply, Facebook Messenger bot, Facebook comment auto reply and private reply, Facebook auto comment tools, equating into a flood of free traffic and easy sales. I'm going to give you this, and it's $17. So I'm also going to give you Simplicity Pro. It's unlimited campaigns, unlimited everything, plus some additional pro features, including auto RS posting, 20 social media accounts, automated retargeting, and that's also going to be $37. I'm giving you that free. Simple autopilot blogging, enhanced to comment on reply on Facebook, Instagram, and also potential automation upgrade. It allows you to post and to schedule your blog on automatic autopilot, full Google Analytics integration and keyword auto suggestion allow you keyword ideas. I'm also going to give you that free, and it's $97, and you're going to get in it totally free. Simplicity Explorer, as well as using software retargeting campaigns, word search setup, through zeroing on key audiences and niches. Facebook Interest Explorer built on the Facebook API and targets hidden interest groups and high converting ads with both free and paid efforts. And Instagram, integrated API for searching hot and trending hashtags, full audience building, automation, comparison, search marketing modules showing others doing simple comparison formula powerful. We all know how busy important hashtags are right now. They're very important. And we're going to give you that for $97 free. It's free. That's just $97. You don't have to pay to get in. And I'm also going to give you Simplicity Inner Circle access. Our one-of-a-kind inner circle groups inside discuss everything we do on daily procedure. Super affiliate income, nothing held back. It's like a huge mastermind without the cost, and that's $67. You can just get in there free. And Simplicity Agency allows you to charge a fee for others to use software. Simply sign up. Agency rates will allow customers to have instant business, sell this to a service or an existing customer, or create a brand new revenue stream for a gig and freelance site super is in a box. So I'm giving all of you this free for just to get into the program. Your first one is cheaper than what I think it costs to get to the program, and you're getting them free. So this is really a no-brainer also. And this is the dashboard. And this is really awesome. I think he's really done a great job. And it's got funnels. So you can manage your funnels, create new funnels, with leads, delete funnels, newsletters, tutorials. They have all the training done for you in here. And done for you funnels. If you upgraded, then you get all these done for you funnels. Plus, I think it comes with 4 or 5. Limited sequences, traffic, and license rights. So this is really, really easy to use. Look at one funnel, an elite funnel. I believe that, nope, he doesn't have any in there. Let's see, manage your funnels. That is, okay. So there you go. You just put your URL in, and then you can view your landing page, and then you copy your URL, and you can view it too. And then you just advertise it, and boom, you make money. It's all done for you. So this is really, really a great system. And like I said, Brenda Mace's programs are always very, very made very well, and they deliver. To save thousands upon thousands of dollars with unlimited everything. Unlimited everything. So this is a no-brainer for anybody. Pay once, never pay again. And like I said, there is a lot of information on this page, so I would take my time and go through it. And if you're interested in that and saving money, just remember what I said, just click the link below this video if you're interested so that you can get all your bonuses. And then just click this, so you just go from this, you can just click the link below the video because you're already on my Warrior Plus, so this will give you this page. So then you go and you click on this because that's where the link's going to take you. You click that to get to the mails funnels main page, and then just click on any other links to purchase, and then you'll get all of the bonuses that I mentioned. Plus, I got a few more that I didn't mention that are going to be a surprise. So, thank you so much for stopping by my FunnelMail Suite review, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell below, and I'll see you on the next one.